Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lift up the driver's cabin of a Mercedes Benz Actros MP4 1836 in this case. First step, you have to open the cover on the front side, because if your cabin is going up, this part will be taken damage if you does not lift it up. So, job's done, it's lifted. Now, let's go to the passenger side, and there is a switch you have to push. Then go the support unit open on the right side, and there has to be your tools or your devices inside. These are made out of 3 parts, and these 3 parts you have to use to pump the driver's cabin up. And where we have to pump is there at the right side. At the first step, there is a little cover. This you have to unleash first. Then there's a nut, a big nut, and this nut you have to lock now. Good job. And now you have to assemble the tool again. This will be a lever. So, first step, push it in, then push the next stick in this nut holding system, and after this you can make an additional part on top, because a longer lever is a better lever, okay? So, lock it in, and then we are ready. Take care, you have to pull the handbrake, and then start to pump. But before we pump, we have to switch the valve, as you can see. So you did see it's not going up because we did not unleash the lever there. This is the lever we have to unlock. Now it's unlocked, and now it will lift up the driver's cabin. Now it's pumping time, like a little bit of exercise, as you can see. Pump it up. And as you can see, the driver's cabin is going up a little bit, and then the driver's cabin is rotating into the front. Take care, if you have anything inside the interior, that will go through the glasses, the front glasses, of course. Okay, the windshield you have to protect. So do not let your armor, chest, and some weapons inside the cabin, or you have to support them. And then keep pushing, keep pumping, and as you can see, the driver's cabin is going up in a smooth, gentle direction. Pump about 3 minutes, and then the driver's cabin will go so much into the front. We does not show you everything, okay? We only lift it up until we have to enter to the engine room, okay? There you can see, this is the engine. Wow, a big, huge engine for this Mercedes Benz Actros MP4 1836. Keep pumping, boy, keep pumping. Good job. This is nice exercise. As you can see, you do not need any gym. You only have to push up your driver's cabin twice a day, okay? This is enough exercise. And you have a nice vista in this. This is a big, huge engine. And the Mercedes Benz Actros MP4 has a hidden feature I will show you again. If you can show the driver's engine, you can go to the left side, and there is a button. This button you have to push if the ignition is on, inside the cabin, of course. And let's have a look what's happened. Wow, Wow, this is impressive. You can start and stop the engine by pushing this button on the left side of your engine. But take care, you have to go first inside the cabin and switch in your keys and then push the keys to ignition on, of course, yeah, isn't it? So, that it is. Easy going, push up, and now let's come back to the ground again. You have first unlock this lever again, push it inside, because this lever is for the valve inside this up pumping devices, and if you push it inside, it goes down, and if you release it to the outside, it will pump up. Okay, now it's pumping time again to let back your cabin back on the ground again. Oh, 2 exercises in one video. This is nice, isn't it? Good job. Every time you have to look that no children's pets or some other guys are under the cabin if you are lifting it up or down. It's important, really, because there's a massive force behind. And here you can see these are the lock, which is going down now, and now job's done. You can feel it inside the pump lever. There's no more force available. And now the Mercedes Actros is back on the ground again. In the desk, you can see there is information about this, okay? Now, push back the cover in position and you're going back on the road again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, but we did not leave this lever there. I extracted first. Oh, sorry about this. The lever is good. Now push back the cover in position, and now we are finished. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. Awesome truck. Soon.